Good morning, world hippies. This morning I decided to come down to the beach and I am going to meditate down here. It seems like the perfect place. And right now it's 7:30 in the morning. The tide is all the way, it's all the way out. Look, usually the tide is way up there, right? And now it's made its way all down through here. So I'm going to find a little area to meditate and start my day off right. I don't know what I'm getting into today, but I'm sure with it being this place, I can find plenty. So stay tuned. Guys, I have to do laundry. I'm going to show you how I do laundry here in India. We have a big old bucket. We got water right here. And you fill your bucket. And we have this thing called a laundry bar, right? So you just scrub your clothes with it, get all the water soapy, and then rinse all your clothes off. I'll show you. Just rub it on there. I came to a shop here to buy some more stones. So I was looking around at all these stones. Look at all of them. And look, and look, you have to take your shoes off when you go inside. It's a sign of respect. But look at all these stones. Showing everyone your stones.
Yeah.
So, and I'm coming back tomorrow to buy from him. This is a refreshing citrus soda called Limca. And we're here at this like restaurant here in town, and we decided to get some Limca because we were going to get fresh juice, but their blender is not working, so we're going to go for a Limca. It's 2 o'clock and I'm getting ready to go get my massage that I booked yesterday for today. I'm excited. I don't know what to expect, but I hear you have to wear this like cloth thong, and no, I am not doing that. I'm going to tell them I'm wearing my underwear, and no, that's it. But it should be very relaxing. They pour oil all over you and really get in there. So fingers crossed, this is great. I can't take you along because they don't allow cameras, of course, but I'll tell you the results after. And I should be very relaxed. You'll probably see a difference. I hope so. I made it back from my massage. I am so peaceful right now. It feels amazing. I had a back massage where he, I'm telling you, okay, so let's go back here. Okay, so first of all, I had a back massage and a foot massage. I paid 1,200 rupees. I guess that's probably about, I don't know, like 20 bucks or something like that. I don't know, but it's not that much. But first of all, he did my back, and he started fixing my spine as he went down it. Between each rib, it was amazing. Then he got this big bag of like different herbs and tea leaves and all kinds of stuff in this burlap like bag, and dips it and soaks it in hot oil and starts beating your back with it. After he massages, he does that with the that bag, and it is absolutely amazing. But it's so hot. It's so hot, and your body soaks up that heat, soaks up the oils, your muscles release. I feel amazing right now. He also did my feet, and my feet was a lot of reflexology and pressure points, and Lord knows I needed a foot massage very bad. So he took care of the swelling. Oh my gosh, I feel 100% better right now. I can barely keep my eyes open just because I'm so relaxed. Also, you are massaged on this wooden mahogany table, and the oil is poured all over you, and so it was really sloppy. But that table, since it's really flat, your chest, they push down on you and get you back in alignment. So right now my chest aches a little bit, but it was meant to get me back in alignment. So I'm trying to keep my posture right now, but I feel $1,000,000 and I only paid 1,200 rupees. So that's a win for today. So we were just talking about Michael Bolton. He came on the radio right now, and I just want, candle of the flame. We're on this like patio thing by the beach, and it's like a stage. So we figure if it's a stage, why not knock these tables off and go for it? We got an audience, see? Till the end of time.
Look at the dog's butt. Like,
oh, look. That dog right there dug out the sand to make his own little bed. This isn't Michael Bolton. This is like the Indian version.
Yeah, it's uncovered.
Yeah, this is a generic. Is it karaoke or something? No, there's no karaoke at all. And I love you, but I lie. Oh, it's a good song. But anyway, so had a massage today, went shopping, bought plane tickets to Rishikesh, or to New Delhi, and then a bus over to Rishikesh. We bought those. And yeah, just making plans, taking names and kicking ass. So, guys, we're gonna eat dinner and finish up this amazing night with that sunset. Look at that. For dinner, I decided to get prawn curry and butter naan. I'll show you. So this is butter naan, and this is prawn curry. Look at that. Everyone, thanks for watching this vlog today. Don't forget, have your friends and family go over, and yourself, go over to World Hippie on Facebook so you can like the page there and follow all these adventures, and look forward to more vlogs. because I have many more adventures in store for you. Don't forget, World Hippies, don't stop traveling. Bye, guys.